Alright, what you see here sitting on the washing machine is my AT&T PC-6300, and IBM compatible, although not 100% IBM compatible, PC that was introduced in 1984 and was different from the IBM PC in the fact that it used an 8086 processor instead of the 8088, giving it higher performance. Now the reason I'm looking at it now is because this just came in the mail, which is a Seagate 8-bit MFM controller card. The controller card that was originally in here, which is a DTC, is no good. And it's through no fault of the card itself. It's actually the Olivetti hard drive that's in here went bad and actually fried the card, because it doesn't work with any other hard drive. And in fact, I tried to use the Olivetti hard drive on a Seagate card that had been working just to try to get some data off of it, and fried the Seagate card. So this is the second Seagate card. As you can see, there is one keycap missing from the keyboard, but we're going to try to put the card in and boot her up and see what happens. Okay, everything's all installed, so here we go. Okay. It's not supposed to be fixed disk 2, and it's giving me an error message at the ROM. Which this card does have ROM installed, so I am going to have to get the service manual and check the configuration.